Hello friend, welcome to our video on Ashwa Old Coins. The 1971 Elizabeth II 2-pence coin is a significant piece of British numismatic history. Its introduction marked the beginning of a new decimal currency system in the United Kingdom. Here is a comprehensive history and geographical context surrounding the coin. In 1971, the UK officially adopted the decimal system, which replaced the old system of pounds, shillings, and pence. This change was part of a larger move to modernize the currency system, aligning it with other decimal-based currencies worldwide. Prior to decimalization, there were 240 pennies in a pound, but after the change, there were 100 new pence in a pound. This led to the introduction of new coin denominations, including the 1p and 2p coins. The 2p coin was first issued as part of the decimal coinage on February 15, 1971. It was designed to be a small, copper-plated steel coin, roughly equivalent to the pre-decimal 2d, 2 pennies, in value. The coin featured a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II and a distinctive reverse design, marking it as a product of a new era in British currency. The 2p coin from 1971 was designed by Christopher Ironside, a British artist who also designed other coins for the new decimal currency. The coin has the following key features. The obverse of the 2p coin displays a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. The portrait, designed by Mary Gillick, was originally used on pre-decimal coinage and was later modified for the new decimal coins. In this particular version, Queen Elizabeth II is depicted with a crown and a veil, facing right. Around the edge, the inscription reads, Elizabeth II Dei Gra Regina FD, which stands for Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen Defender of the Faith. The reverse of the 1971 2p coin shows a rose within a coronet design, which represents the Tudor rose, a symbol of England. The rose is a traditional symbol of the British monarchy and reflects the nation's heritage. The inscription around the design reads, 2 pence, indicating the coin's value, with the year of minting, 1971, below the rose. The 1971 2p coin was produced by the Royal Mint, which is the official minting facility of the United Kingdom. Initially, it was made from copper-plated steel, which was a change from the previous alloy of cupronickel used in pre-decimal coins. This material choice was due to cost considerations, as copper-plated steel was cheaper to produce than other metals. The first year of production for the 2p coin was 1971, and the coin had a substantial mintage, due to its importance in the new decimalized system. Over the years, the Royal Mint produced more 2p coins in subsequent years, and they became a regular part of everyday currency. In 1971, the United Kingdom was undergoing significant political, social, and economic changes, and the decimalization of the currency was one of the key milestones. Geographically, the UK was still an important global player, though it had experienced a decline in its imperial power. The 1970s were marked by economic struggles, including inflation and the decline of traditional industries like coal and steel. The 2p coin's design, featuring the English rose, was a symbol of the UK's national identity, and it echoed the British pride in its monarchy, which was still a central part of the national character. The coin's use was not limited to England. It was part of the wider currency used in Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland, all of which are constituent countries of the United Kingdom. The 2p coin, while relatively small in value, became an important symbol of the United Kingdom's transition into the modern era. It represented a move away from the old imperial system and towards a more practical and internationally recognized decimal system. Additionally, the Tudor rose depicted on the coin's reverse is a symbol of unity. The rose was historically a symbol of the English monarchy and the union of the houses of York and Lancaster. This symbolism was significant in post-World War II Britain, a time when the country was recovering from the effects of the war and the decline of its empire. The 1971 2p coin is not particularly rare in terms of mintage, as large quantities were produced for circulation. However, it holds special interest among coin collectors, particularly those who focus on British decimal currency. Coins from the first year of decimalization are often sought after by numismatists, and the 1971 2p coin is no exception. Over the years, the Royal Mint has issued various versions of the 2p coin, with designs changing occasionally. However, the 1971 version is considered an iconic piece of British currency history, particularly because it marks the shift to decimalization. Today, the 1971 2p coin, like many other older coins, is still in circulation, though it is used less frequently due to inflation and the rising cost of goods. It remains legal tender, but its actual purchasing power is now significantly lower than it was when first issued. The 2p coin, as part of the British currency system, remains a small but integral piece of the United Kingdom's national identity and economic history. Its introduction in 1971 was a pivotal moment in the country's transition to the modern global economy, making the 1971 2p coin not just a simple form of currency, but also a marker of an important historical shift. The 1971 Elizabeth II 2pence coin stands as a testament to the UK's transition into a new era of decimal currency. From its unique design, created by Christopher Ironside, to its cultural and historical significance, the coin encapsulates the spirit of the 1970s, a period marked by modernization and change. Its depiction of the English Rose and Queen Elizabeth II connects the present to the past, serving as a reminder of the nation's rich history while embracing the future of currency. Today, it remains a valuable piece for collectors and a symbol of a transformative period in British history.